It's so exciting for us to hear great feedback. We really do take the time to provide everyone with a first-class experience. And it's so rewarding to know that our efforts aren't going unnoticed. But it's even better that we can share it with you right now. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us to know that we're fulfilling our commitment to provide everyone with a first-class experience. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. Come experience the difference. Thanks for stopping by and watching our video. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.